Hey guys, Justin here, and welcome back to an episode of Train Conductor's World. It's time. Last time we just finished Millau, and already I got my path over to Matterhorn. You can only connect Matterhorn from this direction, and Matterhorn is a mountain, so that's why we'll be actually playing in the mountain here. I already started setting up this path to Madrid over there. So Millau is just going to go straight down to Madrid. I'm not going to do anything stupid. So from Lyon, we'll connect from the left side or downwards towards Marseille, and Marseille connect Verdun. Verdun connect over to Berlin now. And then we need one extra step to connect over to Mostar, which is all the way over there. That's kind of hard, actually. I have no idea how can I do that. That's so far away. How can I do that? Still need to figure out a way, but actually I think I saw something over here. Yeah, I can actually connect Florence, then connect over to Mostar. Let's do Matterhorn first. Finish round in Matterhorn. Let's see how this area goes. Ah, of course there's an ad. Damn it. Here we are. Oh, that's number one. Oh, the path at the top for number one is not connected over. It's a broken path for route number one. Okay. The tunnel in the middle will cause crash, so that's why be careful. I actually need to pop that thing, so that's why let's go and pop it. And get down. That would crash though. Oh, that was so close. Yeah, number one is actually the biggest problem in this game. That the path is actually not connected, so for all number ones you have to take a little bit of a diverted path, but that's fine. We got a track thing too, that's awesome. There's our first star collected. Complete round in Matterhorn, 80. Wow. Get my coins first. 200 coins for that normal star, too. Rare iron track tile. Let's see where to go with this. Not really a whole lot to use these for now, so... This one can swap with a basic one. And this one can come back. And I'll use that one instead. And this one can build here. For now, later on I'm gonna build that one into a bridge after we have connected everything. Now let's do the hard one on Matterhorn. Let's see how it goes. Don't pop that balloon until something else actually really goes in the way. To really can actually go and pop that balloon. Like right here. Get up there! That's a lot of number threes. Done! And that's another star complete. Hopefully the Chaos Star will be a little bit harder. Because so far it's actually still very easy for these levels, not difficult at all. Got a track thing. Next is our Chaos Star. For first, let's grab our stuff. Another track tile. I still have no idea how to build this. It's very frustrating looking. I guess I can build like that, but this is kind of lame, honestly. To build like this. It's completely useless to build like that, but let's just build it for now. Then I'm gonna have straight tiles, we're gonna replace that. Let's get our last star, Chaos, for another iron track tile. Okay, this looks quite hard already. Okay. This is frustrating. Because the train's actually just going whatever they want to. Everyone can get up, get down, get over. Here we can do a little bit of a bypass. This one, unfortunately, have to do it that way though, in case just in case it's actually going to crash. Number 1, get up there. Number 2, get down, get down. Number 1. This is hard. That is close. Oh my gosh, that was so close. Oh, that was hard. Yeah, I just said I want a harder level. That's what the game gave me instantly. Very difficult level there. That was actually quite tough. Almost crashed. We got our star, that's good. All I'm here for is the star. And here's our track tile. Nice, very nice. Oh, a horizontal one. Oh, then I already replaced that one, so... Anything else to replace? Not really. So just leave that one there. I just need to build this bridge over here. Alright, now we're done with Matterhorn. That's the fun area. Let's do some random missions now. 1 chance to deliver all trains successfully. Now this is Berlin. Berlin is not the hardest area, so let's see how it goes. This one should be safe to just go up there. You're gonna go through the middle though. You're also gonna follow this guy to go through the middle. Ah, you can just go straight up. Here's some problems. Okay, that was stupid. I thought I can actually make that close call, but apparently you cannot make it, so... you can go through the middle. Go through the middle. Oh, he didn't go through the middle. Get up there. You go through the middle. Get up there. Oh, that was so close. Didn't see that one over there. You slow down. That's number 1. Get down first, just in case you're gonna crash up there. And we beat it successfully. Deliver all trains successfully in 1 round. Give me my star too, that's a perfect one. There we go. And give me those 80 coins. I got a high score too, wow. And of course another ant.
Yeehaw! Oh my god!
This stupid solitaire game. And we need to get 2,000 points. Amsterdam. You call some balloons. Pop. Yeah. Pop. Number 3 coming in. Number 2 can get up there. Number 3 can get up there. Number 1 coming in. Number 3 at the bottom. That was close. Number 3 over there. Number 2 go over there. Stop for a while. Number 1 get out. 4, 3, 2, 1, 4. 2, 4. A bunch of number 4 coming in. Slow train. Stop. Stop. Let him pass first. No! That's so stupid. I want to draw the other guy, not the stupid slow train. Okay, let's at least beat this one. At least beat it. She's lame. I cannot beat it. For sure, I've beaten that one. It's just this. Oh gosh, talking way too much. Oh gosh, that was close. Almost in the wrong train over there. Let me get out of there. That was a terrible choice of actually the lane divert. Okay, I'm just going all out on the transport here. This needs to stop. You need to get up there right now. What the hell? That was close. Almost failed. Get up there. That's a slow guy. Slow guy should be all fine. Shouldn't crash. You give a little bit of a diversion. Pop that balloon for me. Slow train, huh? You probably cannot get past the slow train. You guys need to stop. Stop! That was close. Get up there! Not a smart move there to actually do it that way. Hopefully we can beat it this time. Should be good though. Oh, not like that though. This is kind of death right here. How the hell I survived that one? Oh, I lose some stars though. Okay, that's what happens. I lose some stars at the end. But at least I beat it. I didn't get it perfect though, 95% or something like that. Yep. We got our track tile. Let's get it. Super rare alloy track tile. We can build. Unfortunately, I need one more. That's kind of lame. I need one more straight tile. Unfortunately, I used one straight tile over there. That's kind of sucks, actually. Unfortunate, no more straight tiles I can use. So that's why. That's unfortunate. Later on, we'll build that bridge. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Next time, guys, I probably will be able to connect over to Madrid or something like that. Over here is already dead. Lyon to Matterhorn. That's all we can do. Here, we're going to try to head down now from Lyon down to Marseille. So, see you guys next time. Peace!